Welcome to our tutorial on Crew HRM, the WordPress plugin that makes your recruitment process easy. As of now, Crew HRM is exclusively available on our website. WordPress.org is in the process of reviewing our code with an expected release by January 2024. Let's get started. Visit getcrewhrm.com and you will notice the free download button. Upon clicking, a prompt will request your name and email. Rest assured, your email is only used to keep you updated with the latest features, bug fixes, security alerts, and exclusive offers on our premium add-ons. So please provide an active email to stay informed. The download link should arrive in your inbox immediately. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder for an email from contact@getcrewhrm.com. If you're still having trouble after 10 minutes, don't worry, contact us through the live chat on our website or use the contact form. We're here to ensure you get the plugin promptly. Now, let's talk about installation. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, and select Upload. Here, choose the Crew HRM zip file you have received. Simply upload, install, and activate the plugin. After activation, you will be prompted to select a page for the job board. You can either use an existing page or create a new one. Then assign it in the Crew HRM settings under the job listing page. And that's it. You are now ready to explore the full potential of Crew HRM on your WordPress site. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing Crew HRM for your recruitment needs.